Malam gua Bia Kamal ka Cam Health nas YouTube channel. Gua zin kisah rum kapal puan kanangas. En wana me ngi nei ke chemistry kene pual puan katong nas. Jag ngai ngani katyak ni kalade. Ka jagde ka vum ka queen ene kon kune join ki gor rokel ka ko go bana jago chen go sign deranas jaka go kana pel ka gwa zin bibin cam health sign ka kwiteka pal fine ka queen ene dial Gwame topic ni konsin wale chemical bonding. Chemical bonding da korodan thechu jenelengu. Ka introduction gwame kiye ka tugde. Chalat kono everything around has. Tidial tinta around has. Tamene ka air, la jom, ka water, fuel, salt, kade, ka sukar, ke plants la jen amana pankon kendial kelga ke kie kendial wa kwa ka made of atoms kie lat ke atoms pankon plant ka water kenet dial ko keneto tinta around has but most atoms cannot exist alone wa atom to one chike they exist chido they exist la jen karawade that what exists allow take me charo dien join ke charo dien matkel kwela ngu matkelo mo ko kala join ke ko kala kif la be ta kele la mu they join or bond with other atoms to become more stable ke wo ba me chajala ro they cannot exist alone ke chido they exist alone take me ko join ke ko jako be ka von kana atom ni Kodi big kola stable. A jerry's and kellen jagako barod and join. And joining more. This joining together of atoms is called chemical bonding. And joining the animal of barod and join kill a genital chemical bonding. Guame better than definition. Chemical bonding is the force of attraction that holds two or more atoms together in a molecule or compound. Chaladan Ago chemical bond, a force of attraction. Miku atoms, kuka jako kweka holes together. Ki kweka jako bigger takel. Ka molecule ki ka compound. Force of attraction mo men jaga atom ni ka bigger takel ka molecule ki ka compound. Ajan shall ka mo chemical bonding. Njana mo. Atoms form bonds to achieve a stable electron arrangement. The reason me atoms can form to achieve a stable electron arrangement. Ko electron arrangement keke manko kon la nang electron configuration. Can dial an atom na dial ki all element in take a periodic table. Can go can order can mashal octet rule me and general malarje go the ko be element Bakola is stable. Wagoro darata ke 8 electron ke their outermost shell, kia class shell, kia outer shell, la shell and rar ke. Ejen mo. So go kijmo go can go that can join that can join ke atoms te kokian ke go da ko ke chan ke me da kan octet rule me da kan ko le thiang. Bana wa ko niam ko bana wa mo kon je ke slide nitin why do atoms form bonds? Why do atoms form bonds? Angu ku atom ni ku can bonds ku can form. Reason ke ti kan angdio. Reason number 1 to become stable, will become stable. Kie biken mo achieve full outer shell of electrons. To achieve full outer shell of electron. The last shell ka bas round ki ba will ke electron t-shirt ke noble gas ni ko ka noble gases tong mi ta kon ke helium mo ko bala both outer shell ke je e 2 so good element tan ken o the last shell ka daro ta ke 2 electron je ke helium gor ke je neon mi ta last shell ke je mi 8 je na mo ko te ke 10 electron yo cha ka re electron ka ba 2 8 reason number 2 to reduce their energy ko energy mi dide be ka non instability la chi ka bla stable chet ka ma chalar ka reason number 1 wote ku kan bond ku kan form ko be to become stable so the higher the energy the higher the instability la higher energy mi dide man stability ka bo ba kwa so ku mo mu cha energy cha ko reduce wo chi ko join ka ko ken then ba ko ja ko be la stable bo reason number 3 to form new substance with different reason at the end wogen that can new substance with different properties that can form go me bana like types of chemical bond type nike kamuni take a main type dang diok kelenium ionic bond mela chalka bo electrovalent bond bond under dn ke type number 2 mishala covalent bond madadian a metallic bond gwada me bo nyok ta kon ke other weaker bonds take ko ken ti bat kugla very weaker bonds ti chet ka hydrogen bond kamala chala van der Waals forces so titi bana ko discuss later ka slide ko ken ta job gwa me chan right ko en ionic bond ki mala chala ko chere do den electrovalent bond o point de gen helamu ka definition na gwa me ionic bond is formed when one atom transfer electron to another atom ta la kwa je form ka jagwa me ego ken atom na dang raw tendrom kel be electron ka baka transfer to another atom baka kam atom no dia then this occur between metals and non-metal then a type of bond me la kwetok kam ka metals ken a non-metal where the metal be electron baka loss and janamo electron gwame metal ka kon be electron ka baka loss whereas bin non-metal again be electron baka gain and janamo the atom that loses electron become positive la electron in electron she close gwame beben kia be become la positive make la positive ba chola cation and the atom that gains electron become negative ion ala atom kill in electron she can lose be la positive ba chola cation ba atom na dien radiant in electron she can gain becomes negative be la negative ion so jen ba chola anion the electrostatic attraction between this opposite ion forms an ionic bond. Electrostatic attraction between opposite ion to T, positive ion and a negative ion and then. Gen attraction money, again by called ionic bond. K electrovalent bond. One case light into the go make example kon cha kon kam sodium chloride compound which has sodium chloride mo kon right go make sodium chloride sodium point take 11 electrons to mi chaka arrange ka chelike bala 2 8 ka 1 and janamo jen ntame chi stable goro dare electron kill ko jen sodium a metal ko on sodium chloride cha form a metal mutual sodium ken non metal mishal chlorine rama bi electron big loss again sodium guame one loses one electron but one electron be lose ko be ion me mishal sodium ion be kol form cha one electron cha lose ki don yana ta ke 2 8 che chet gamla chalungu neon quimi noble gases guame yo mo kon ben ka chlorine chlorine take 17 electron it needs one more electron go electron kill mi de madje be kul jengne ka be jagala electron cha loss sodium tong mi wo one electron mu jo gain ba kon ben non negative ion quime mo kwale cholongo anion guame positive ion me jan chala cation njana mo they form Na positive can Cl negative ion so ne me jan sodium chloride in cha form guame babanyos ke equation Na plus Cl is equal to NaCl la compound me jan cha non kon ke formation this how it is formed jan how quite form baje ke explanation guame go sodium share one electron share transfer to chlorine both are shift octet like noble gases can she can shift she can octet she can noble gases she can shift ko ci sodium take 11 electron mi check electron spare mo electron ko arrange bla 2 can 8 yala very stable yo chlorine guame ko ci one electron che gain mu wa ko be ci ko walbe da mu ka arrange ke chele ke bla 2 8 8 la wo ci la shell ke je she octet rule che tiang nyok yala very stable guame nyok da kon example number 2 formation of magnesium oxide magnesium take a 12 electron mi cha ka ring ke chele ke 282 mu 2 electron mu ko loss be ion me ben positive ion me la mg mi take charge me positive 2 where here oxygen take 8 electron mi cha ka ring 2 can 6 go re electron na dang raw be electron ten cha loss song mi magnesium be ko gain be take be benela na oxygen mi take charge me negative so we can compound me actually magnesium oxide we can call form well one I want them properties of ionic compound properties ka ionic compound mo ko form share compound by correct ke ionic bond ka kan inshallah ionic compound so can properties can laga ta tam check tam tedi guame ka properties can guame description mo ko la do this one better ke example ko guame yo mo correct ke physical state ka ionic compound usually solid crystal wa kan alab ka very solid to bombom to very hard njana mo example in sodium chloride kana potassium potassium bromide melting point ga very high why because take a strong attraction between ions take a strong attraction between ions jaga ko melting point ga ba very high example yen ta kon ga sodium chloride guame melting point when 801 degrees Celsius which is very high ka conductivity they conduct electricity when in molten alamit take a condition which are mel take in molten state ki dissolve in water they conduct electricity example yen sodium chloride guame solubility solubility they are soluble in water mi chagla rapini la ko dissolve example yen sodium chloride kind of potassium nitride brittleness la ko break easily under pressure la normal tiat example yen common salt crystal she kon chop kata even do dien inshallah covalent bond gen is formed when two atoms share one or more pairs of electron covalent bond go me kwa form by sharing electrons kwa share electron ba ko form and mo donc the one pair ki two pair ki mo three pair of electrons mo kwa share then ba covalent bond ba ko form Gen la kwe occur usually between metal atoms and each contribute electron to form shares la ram kel ga an ran ka ke be ben ke electron ka be no nyaga be kan ban share kana na dan ba bon mo ba ko form chechet ka ionic bond la kwa transfer electron kram kel ba ka kamna mo dien so gwa me e sharing la nyang na ngak non electron do bim la gaf ka mo gore de tiang ba ko la ban tiang example yanda kon lat ke formation of hydrogen molecule H2 ko gwa me kwana bala de gwa me ne hydrogen kel me jala ke electron de kel jal gat gwa me jala ke electron de kel madian kel ba kon ko no electron ti gwa me na me be bon me be ko ban form bon me ta gwa me ba ko la H2 ki hydrogen molecule njena mo example at the end formation of water town ko water ko form ka je oxygen gwa me tenen ke electron dang bada mi cha ka ran je 2 kene 6 go electron dang raw ba ko jeng nika ba ko jagwa me ko to kon hydrogen dang raw gwa me ba hydrogen kel kake ram kel kake be kela nanga nyaga ram kel ko mi be kelo nyoko nang nyaga kelen ta nang nyaga hydrogen ko me kene kel dina nang nyaga hydrogen ko do dina mi ba kala kun ke oxygen be ken 2 8 wonum yo ba kelen nang nyaga kene kel we jeng nyaga oxygen then mi chaga nyok kun hydrogen kwime hydrogen bala stable chet ke helium e jena mo ngame wa oxygen shares one electron with each atom allow oxygen kwe electron la kwe share with each hydrogen atom to form covalent bond jan gwame cha nyot kon gwame ke example amane jan kind of formation of carbon dioxide carbon take a 2 4 go to 4 electron oxygen take a 2 6 each needs 2 electron kel ka go to 2 electron njana mo so nga de ko lo nyo mo ko nyo ba me ko nyo de ne go carbon share pairs of electron with each oxygen become double bond become double form ala carbon jamet dare be 2 pair of electron ala 1 pair non single bond pair kel do den non single bond do den ala 2 pair gwa me ti cha share kwime garme kan ju kwime njena mo baga share be kan double bond ko non be 2 share be pair gwa me be wana share kwime kan mena then be kan double bond ko be kan ko form yo an electron dan wana ti ba ko oxygen ko jame ken electron ka ko ken to kwime de kan nan ngaga then be jojo wo ci gabadan se tiyanga je yo ba ko ken dang titi ken dial ba ko nyaw ken carbon ba ko titi types of covalent bond find the take a type nika type nyam a single bond single bond wo mi cha one pair of electron cha share single bond or one pair of electron cha share example a bond cha pom kam hydrogen ken hydrogen kia kam ka chlorine la chlorine molecule gome hydrogen molecule man da dien emishala double bond wo cha 2 pair of electron cha ga share an example yana inen gwamne wo cha 2 pair of electron cha ga share then ina double bond the last a triple bond kaje mi cha 3 pair of electrons cha ga share she can electricity she can conduct example in a sugar solubility kaka wo can insoluble ka water but soluble in organic compound shikala michi wala zakare pini shikala soluble wala wo michi kala organic compound chet ka petrol ki ka oil gwada midi ko jagala wo can la kamala dissolve jana nature they are very soft la koike shige crystalline they are non crystalline example in a metal wax can a sulfur and jana mo to take an example again chana baro janyok metal metallic bond is the attraction between positive metal ions then attraction come positive metal ions and the sea of free delocalized electron around them allow gwa me metal la take ke delocalized electron mi cha wa delocalized electron mi lono ke electron ti free ti ku move freely njena kan ka localize kan ka gwa ke they move freely ken electron to ku move freely to ko to yale sea of free electron mo beacon what a attraction come ne metal have loosely bound outer electron that move freely through the structure forming a sea of electron la metal what take outer electron kaja they are loosely bound la kan ka bond boom they are bound loosely they move freely through the structure who can see electron what we can call form that holds metal atoms together example in a copper sodium in the piece of copper in the piece of copper each Cu atom gives up one or more electron to the sea of electron each copper and ka piece of copper each copper bear one or more electron bega gives up ka gen sea of electron mo bega jab ko way ka gen sea of electron mo by positive Cu ion are held together by the attraction to this free electron. This gives metal the special properties. Properties of metallic bond, la conductivity ka gwamane, we can a good conductor of electricity. Example in a copper, can iron. Malleability, they can be hammered easily into sheets. La de war, de jako, de nail key, de jako pieces. They lay into sheets. Example, aluminum foil. Ductility can be drawn into wires. They can ductile wires. Example, a copper wire. Lastly, take a shine appearance. Example, a gold, a silver. Take a melting, a boiling point wire, or take a strong metallic bond. Example, a metal, steel. Other types of bonding. Take on hydrogen bonding. A weak bond formed between hydrogen atom. Can other another electronegative atoms. Take another electronegative atom that are more electronegative than hydrogen. Be FON. Do open tiaga dia team gaja la tiam ke mi yala phone FON. Being hydrogen which a bond can of this ke oxygen ki ke nitrogen ki ke polyrene being a bond in data comedian na rajan me mi hydrogen bond. Example, in water, hydrogen atom of one molecule attract oxygen atom of another, forming hydrogen molecule. Ka water, la kapiu, la hydrogen atom, ka molecule kel, barodin attract can oxygen atom ka another, become equal form, become hydrogen one more, become equal form. This explain water's high boiling point. The more we explain, that's the reason. And water high boiling point can surface tension. Madadian Michel van der Waals force. A weak attraction between molecules due to temperature charge difference. A weak attraction come molecules. Due to temporary charge difference. A charge difference no more. It is temporary charge difference. Example, between molecule of oxygen nitrogen in the air. They are weakly attracted even though they are non-polar. Comparison between the three main bonds. Comparison the end. Guame a lot type of element can like bond form. Guame ka ionic metal can a non-metal become ionic bond mechanical form. Yoko covalent bond a metal can a non-metal can a non-metal. Te kwa covalent bond kwa je form ka metallic bond bi jak a metal can a metal ka mode of formation gwa me ka ionic bi jak la mode of formation kwa transfer electron ke electron transfer gwa me ka mode of bond formation gwa me ka covalent sharing of electrons gwa me ka metallic bond ala delocalized electron kon ko move freely ka kan ko bon ko form ka taw electrical conductivity bi ka jegano n ionic bond t ki ionic compound la ko kan electricity ko kan conduct mitaka in solution kia kata ka molten state la ta ka state ko ka melt. The covalent compound big banjek they are poor conductor of electricity, whereas the metallic bond kia metallic compound because jago can excellent conductor of electricity. Melting kia boiling a high ka ionic bond, a low ka covalent bond is usually high ka metallic bond. Example of ionic bond a sodium chloride and a magnesium oxide. Example of covalent bond a water and a carbon dioxide. Example of metallic bond a copper and a iron. Practical example in everyday lives. Example ionic bonds ta convertible salt ngula kwa use kija common use kija for cooking and preservation. Water example of covalent bond kwa use for drinking kana washing. Oxygen example ka covalent mitega double bond kwa use ki common use breathing. Copper kel ka metallic bond example of metallic bond a substance ngila example ka metallic bond kwa common use kija electrical wires. Iron example of metallic kwa use for building material. Summary: atom bonds to become stable. Melako atoms koko bond become stable ke become octet rule become a thing. Ionic bonds kwaja formed by transfer of electron between metal and non-metals. Covalent bond is formed by sharing of electron between non-metals. Anjanamo kwaja form ke sharing of electron kam ka non-metal, whereas metallic bond free movement of electrons among metal atoms. Bonds explain the structure, properties, and the behavior of substance. To take a practical question, go to the answer comment section. Manyam will define chemical bonding. Then explain the octet rule with an example. Describe how NaCl is formed. State the three difference between ionic and covalent bond. What type of bond exists in copper metal? What does why does water have a high boiling point than oxygen? The last, number 7, draw a diagram showing the formation of chlorine. Be diagram ki tur bi tur minyo tan kwa chlorine molecule kwa form ka. Quick revision notes. Bonding summary: ionic bond a transfer of electron between baga transfer ka metal kwa kam non-metal. Covalent bonding sharing of electron, example of water. Metallic bond a sea of electron, copper ki iron. Hydrogen a weak intermolecular force water molecule. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more. Hiloidates ko share video dan share jagor ko share jagwit ko subscribe ko bawa me batangwan baga ko wam no ka kwidun kan mare. Thank you and amanduna Kim Simon Young. Thank you.